Hello all, this video is intended for adults because we will be talking about fire and doing a do-it-yourself little barbecue pit where we can roast some marshmallows. So hopefully this works out. We are down by the lake. It's a gorgeous day here in Toronto. So I have this large cake pan and this metal cake pan. We gathered some sticks. I did not get any charcoal because it was like $9 for a huge bag that I didn't need. And I didn't bring the little fire starters. I totally forgot. But I have some paper here that I'm going to scrunch up and use. And then we also have this little grill plate from Dollarama that's going to go on top. And we have one of our little sticks here to toast the marshmallows with. So hopefully this works out. And I'm going to get everything set up and I'll come back and show you. So I got my little setup here. I also have some regular tap water in this bottle here just to put this out in case it is too much of a fire. So we're just going to light it up and we'll see how this turns out. We have a little fire going, so it's just kind of burning the paper up right now. So we're going to see how this lights up a little bit more, and then we'll try to roast the marshmallows. Okay, let me see the marshmallow. It's a little bit going. Let's see if we can get it to toast. This is actually fun trying to experiment with this. Now you have to do this in a safe area. Make sure it's not windy, and if you know, make sure it's supervised if there's young children around, and have water accessible in case it gets out of control. Look, it's working. It's toasting our marshmallow.
Look, it's sour.
Yes. You want to try it?
No.
You want me to try it? Okay.
I'm feeling the baby one.
It is working. Yeah, so for like a couple dollars you can put together this little do-it-yourself barbecue. All the stuff is from Dollarama, including the marshmallows.
Look, it's burning.
I'm going to try one of these marshmallows. It won't really stay on the stick too well, but let's see if we can kind of roast it as well. I'm just going to try to fix it. I'm going to try one of these marshmallows too and see if I can get it to toast. Well, it's starting to toast a little bit. But the white marshmallows are definitely better. So our little fire keeps on going out, so this probably would work better if you did have charcoal or those like fire starters and like actual kindling. But we did roast a couple of marshmallows, and you know, for a couple of bucks it did work out if you don't have a barbecue and you want to make one on your own. So I'm gonna attach a little clip of a little stroller bag that I picked up from Amazon. Thanks for watching this part of the video, and I will talk to you in my next one. So I just got my Amazon delivery. I got this little item to put on the new umbrella stroller, just so I have a little bag. I probably will end up carrying the backpack too. But it's super cute. It's in a gray color with the stars, so it kind of matches the stroller. And it's got a little pocket here, so you can put like your Presto Pass in there, and a little cup thing here. And then when you unzipper it, there is a space there for 2 more drinks on the sides here. There's also a zipper pouch back here, and there's a lot of space for things that, you know, you can put a couple sand toys in there probably, and some little snack items. But yeah, it's a nice little cute bag. So this item was only $22 on Amazon, and of course I will link it all down below. But yeah, I think it's just perfect for this small little stroller, especially if we're just going to the local store. It's much more handier just to take less stuff with us. Now, with this umbrella stroller that I picked up from Walmart, you can't do a lot of groceries shopping, so I'll end up probably still bringing the big one when we have to do a lot of shopping. But I think the bag is super cute for just a couple of small items, so I just wanted to share this quick little review of this product. And this is by Miracle Baby. So like I said, I will link the Amazon page in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye for now.